question, then you said it. I was saying things you're regretting. Can't erase the steps we've taken. Can't go back to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Oh yeah. The pedal to the pavement. I was dreaming that we'd make it. In the rear view, our reflection is a stranger to the time and place we met. I was so upset, but you made it all better. Now it's messing with my head, yeah. We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? We don't say goodbye the best. I still feel your ghost inside my chest. No, we didn't learn our lesson, but if you want, can we try again? Try again. Oh yeah. I can call you mine. We can hit rewind and treat each other right. How long should I wait to feel it all fade? some type of way for your love. How long till it comes when I got no patience for too long? I think I like you with that song so odd. Sugar rush, I feel it coming. Now you got that sugar touch. You make me live out, oh yeah. Sugar rush, I feel it coming. Now you got that sugar touch. You make me live out. Baby, I'm feeling kinda right. Lately I think I could use a good spike. I don't wanna wait till you're coming into my life. I see what will happen in a good time. I know it's a high the way I get lost in your eyes. I think I'm drowning in the light somehow. How long till it comes when I got no patience for too long? I think I like you with that one so hard. Yeah, I feel it coming. Now you got that sugar touch. You make me live out, oh yeah. Sugar rush, I feel it coming. Now you got that sugar touch. You make me live out. Baby, you make me live it in color. Lately I don't feel no need to cover. Save me from what